Yeah, g'day. It's Chris O from Down Under, Queensland, Australia. Now I'm doing a set out of this floor, and I would like to run it past you people, so then you get to know from the start how you tile a floor and set it out properly. What I'm doing, this is an easy one because it's tiled before and it's all been done well. There's no small pieces anywhere or anything like that. Now if I follow this line through here, this one, that gives me a cut against that timber skirting of that wide, 100 mil. So I still need to check how many planks it takes to get across here and my gap there. If it's a good gap, everything's fine. In here, I've yet to go across to there, which I will. I have placed the tiles across, and that's my cut there, which is cool. With plank, I'm running it all this way, so I don't have to worry about my cuts at each wall, that bench. I don't have to worry about that because it's a cut tile anyway. You know, and I can make it whatever length I want. Same here, I don't have to worry about that. Whatever my cut is against the toe kick there, it won't matter. It'll be fine, I'm sure. It's the front entrance and the main living area. Here, with my cut of 130 mil coming through there, I will put in a piece this width to come across. Then I can go even cut either side of the hall and centralise it by putting in a piece that width. I can do anything I want to here, which it always looks nice if you've got an even cut either side, not just starting with a full tile and you end up with a 50 mil strip on the other side. No, that doesn't work. There against that doorway, well, I don't know what it's going to be there, but you can't have like this is the most important, but 9 times out of 10 with plank it works out well. So this is a beautiful colour, beautiful wood grain. It's going to be real nice, I reckon, with a with my misty grey grout. This will look beautiful. And what you do is just paste it out with tiles, step it out with tiles, and then you know, like you use the same grout line that you're going to be laying them with, and that's looking good to me. That's a nice size cut there, you know, it's not too super small. What's it going to be like? Okay, I'm going to have a small cut there. but it's only a very short wall, very short wall. That's all right. That's all right. Okay, well, I'll mix up some glue and then I'll turn the camera on again and show you when I start. I'll catch up with you shortly. In a minute. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to know any questions, if you want to ask me anything, just comment in the comment section and ask me any question. I will endeavour to answer every one of them. Please subscribe to my channel and you'll see more of this, heaps more in the future. I'm putting out a video every 2 days. So there's heaps to learn. Buckle yourself in, because we're off for a ride and a half.